nami karon sa Agape Basketball
6 minutes and 56 seconds.
sa fight for third game 1.
20 second shot clock.
Played between Agape Furniture versus Exotic Animal Park.
Jingson.
Ug uban ni Mr.
Pass to Saraspe. Kita kamsang sa Victor. 10 second shot lang. Shot clock. Wama shot. Bandoy. Nakuha ni Simbaon. Baluran. Wama shot. Navarro on the drive. 2 points Navarro. 20 second shot lang. 14 second shot lang. Palet. Dipasa ni Baluran. 9, 8, 7 for 2 points in down. 6 minutes. Last 6 minutes. Sa atong first quarter. 20 second shot lang. Bugoy on the drive. 2 points Bugoy. 20 second shot clock. 15 second shot clock. Foul. Saraspe. First personal foul. Bandoy. 1 point Bandoy. Bandoy. 1 point for Bandoy. Saraspe. 20 second shot clock. Navarro on the drive. 2 points Navarro. 20 second shot clock.
Ras! Milaw!
Baluran dipasa ni out of bounds. Same. To Palen. 2 points Palen.
Pakantina na mo to.
20 second shot clock. Uli. Saraspe. 15 second shot clock.
Ikaw tayo dipinsan na mo?
Jungsol for 2 points.
Ilaw mo sa boss mo.
20 second shot clock. 15 second shot clock. Balaba. Ano ka? Tingnan mo. Repeat mo. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. Buntong. Out of bounds. Bula sa Exotic. 2 points. Balaba. 4 minutes and 25 seconds ang nabilin sa itong first quarter. 15 second shot clock. Saraspe.
Sabi ka so?
Saraspe. Wama shot. Nakuha ni Bandoy. Out ni Bugoy. Wama shot. Jimboy. Jimson. Mingitsa. Yapon na shot. Out of bounds. Same ball. Saraspe to Jimboy. Mingitsa. Wama shot. Bugoy. Pasa ni out of bounds. Bola sa Exotic. Shot clock. Mingitsa. 3 points. Palen. Saraspe. 20 second shot clock. Navarro dipasa ni Jimboy. 10, 9, 8, 7. 2 points Navarro. Baluran. 20 second shot clock. Palen. Isa wala man shot. Ako ni Bintong. To Jimboy. 10 second shot clock. To Saraspe. Wala man shot. Navarro. Jimboy mingitsa. Wag yapon na shot. Palen. Bandoy. Navarro on the drive. Out of bounds. Same ball. Wah, masyad. Balik. Baluran, dipasa ni Bandoy. Bandoy, wah, masyad. Bugoy on the drive. 2 points, Bugoy. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, foul, Navarro. Second team foul. Wah, masyad. Bugoy. Nakuha ni Palen. 20 second shot clock. Simbahan, foul. Bugoy.
Tugod ring naman ko.
Wah, masyad. Oh, yan. Simbahon, wah, masyad. Nakuha ni Bintong. On the drive. 2 points. Pag mo tayo mo, no, ganang players na bench player, palungare. Okay, bawahin ka. Nakuha ni Bintong. 15 second shot clock. Out of bounds. 8, 7, 6, 2 points in boy. Timeout, Exotic Animal Park team. Wah, yan masyad. Anino. Wah, masyad. Nakuha ni Sarasme. On the drive. Wah, masyad. Si Boy. Bintong. Bugoy to Sarasme. Wah, masyad. Si Bandoy dribbling the ball. Last 1 minute. 19 second shot clock. Ingat ka kanina. Navarro. Out of bounds. 3 seconds. 17 second shot clock. Gibson. 14 second shot clock. Gibson 10, 9. Wah, masyad. 31 seconds. Wah, masyad. 25 seconds. 2 points, Zimboy. 19 seconds ang nabilin sa the first quarter. 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 2 seconds. 2 seconds. 2, 1. Time sa atong first quarter.
Naman ang first quarter ng atong running score ng Furniture 20.
Ang Exotic 25.
Magsugod na ang second quarter.
Baylamat sa Bandoy. Bandoy, nagagasahan. 13 second shot clock. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. Sarasme. Wah, masyad. Nakuha ni Bandoy. On the drive. 2 points, Bandoy. Gibson. 20 second shot clock. Back passing. Bola sa Exotic Merian. Nakuha ni Gibson. On the drive. Butata. Bola sa for 3 points. Table time out. Bola, baliw bola. 2 points si Navigator Knight. 7 minutes and 15 seconds ang nabilis sa itong second quarter. So Bintong nakuha ni Rama shot. Bintong malay on the drive. Wow, my shot. Bandoy.
Sintro ko doon.
20 seconds shot. So, for 2 points. Hindi, baka nung nakashot. Arbasto. 15 second shot lang. Labrado. For 2 points only. Manginom tagkapilin sa diya. Baluran. 20 second shot lang. On the drive. Ipasa ni Anino. What a nice pass. 2 points Anino. What a nice pass. Baluran. 20 second shot. Shot lang. 15 second shot lang. Sa Raspe. Masyat. Nakuha ni Bintong. Bintong to Kimson. Masyat. Arbasto. 2 points Arbasto. 5 minutes and 59 seconds na bilis sa second quarter. Baluran. Masyat. Arbasto. So, Anino, dipasa ni Lagapa. Masyat. Navarro.
Bausan.
Foul. Saras pe Arnil.
Wa maayo bisa gipaghida na nako.
Second throw. 1 point Bandoy. Navarro. Kutiboy Simpson. 20 second shot lang. Pasa ni Saraspe. Saraspe dipasa ni Bin. Baluran nagmadali. 2 points Baluran. Simpson. Navarro. Dan Iksa. Kaabot. Out of bounds. Mula sa Exotic.
Kagunot.
So, Baluran. Last 5 minutes. 10. 9. Masyat. Navarro. Kaabot. So, Bandoy on the drive. Masyat. Bintong. 30 second shot lang. 2 points. Sa Raspe. 20 second shot lang. Foul. Si Jiboy Team 4, 3. Masyat. Nakuha ni Anino Gyapon on the drive. Gyapon masyat. Anino. Gyapon masyat. Masyat. Tumandoy. Back passing.
Udapan.
Tubukoy. Masyat. Bandoy on the drive. 2 points Bandoy. 3 minutes and 40. Pasa ni Arnel. Napalakan. Bandoy. 2 points Bandoy. 3 minutes and 15 seconds. 2 points. Navarro, 1 point Navarro. 2 minutes and 47 seconds. Arbasto. Dipasa ni Baluran. 9, 8, 7, 6. Harbans bola sa Kona.
Bisa tu.
2 points. Lagapa. Foul, hindi dumayo sa counted. Navarro kicken.
40.
Masyat. Bugoy. 2 points Bugoy. Abi, sabi gusto mo.
Bisa nonton. Abang. Taas na ko kahit.
15 kaya shot lang.
Taas na ko mo.
2 points to number 5. 2 minutes and 2 seconds. Gutierrez. Yeah, the shot. Number 5, dipasa ni Daluran. 2 points, Daluran. Second quarter, Anino. Anino to Madulin. Madulin minutes na. Yeah, the shot. Bigay. 2 points, Bigay. 1 minute and 10 seconds. 20 seconds shot clock. Arbasto ni Kosover minutes na. 2 points. Arbasto. 1 minute and 3 seconds. Last 1 minute. 20 seconds shot clock. 20 seconds. Yeah, my shot. Two points, Anino. Last 39 seconds. 20 seconds shot clock. 15. Wow, my shot. Last 30 seconds. 29, 28, 27, 26, 25, 24, 23, 22. Oh, 17 seconds. 18 seconds na nabilin. Out of bounds. Anino. Out of bounds. 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 3 seconds. 2, 1. Dito po.
Mama na, second quarter, katong score ng Furniture. 55.
Boleh sa furniture.
Tanawo na to.
Guys, in the drive. What was shot? Rebound by Gonzalez to Navarro. Navarro in the drive. Wow, nice 2 points by Navarro. Palen nagdala sa bola. Palen on the drive. Pass to Jay. Good Malen, Ruben. Nagdala sa bola. Good Malen. Pass to Susan. Eh, 58 na na-score, eh. 58 na na-score. Susan. Pass to Galon. 10. Oh, foul.
Kasi ako sa Iki mong
3 points. Susan. Palen nagdala sa bola. Palen.
ginunggong.
Palen nagdala. Pass to Balabat. 10 seconds na clock. Pass to JJ. 9, 8. Oh, foul, Galon. Furniture shop. Kaya ako, nag-feeling na furniture. JJ. Wah, masyado. Balabat nagmamadali. Nakuha ni Jimboy in the drive. Wah, masyado. Rebound by JJ. JJ nagdala sa bola. JJ nagmamadali. On the drive. Wah, masyado. Rebound by Navarro. Turo the drive. Wah, masyado. Ball. Palapanin. Simbahon. Tudo siya. Pasto JJ. Galon, mungkin Patrick, wah shot. Rebound by Gonzalez in the ground, wah dapat shot. Rebound by Simbahon, pass to Balabat, out of bounds. Galon on the drive, foul, Simbahon. Exciting. 1 point, Galon. Palen nagdala sa bola, halas by Galon. Op. Good ball. Nice. 2 points by Jai. Arnel Saraspe, nagdala sa bola. Arnel, nagitang sa pasahan. Pass go, nakuha ni Elvin Balabat on the right. Nice. Galon. Nice, 2 points, Galon. Palen. Palen, nagdala sa bola. Palen. Pasko. Simbahon. Wala shot. Simbahon. Foul na Baro. Anino nagdala sa bola. Anino on the drive. Wala shot. Anino again. Opens Anino. Navarro to Arlen. Zay nagdala sa bola. Zay on the drive. Wala shot. Rebound by Navarro. Navarro nagdala sa bola. Black and foul. Navarro on the drive. Navarro. Gimana again? Wala shot. Rebound by Navarro. Wala shot. Rebound by Gonzales. Gonzales. Kusaraste. Wala shot. Rebound by Gimana. Kesimbangan. Second goal. Dua macam. Nakuha ni Anino. Anino for 2 points. So Bintong. Bintong. Kusaraste. Kusaraste. Dua macam. So Arbaso. Dipasang ni Navarro. Navarro. Bintong, Navarro, o Arbaso. Nakuha ni Bintong. Bintong gihapon. Wala gihapon na shot. Navarro. Wala gihapon na shot. Palen. 19 seconds. Minsan 3. So, wow. Lakbas. Navarro, 16 seconds shot clock. 40. Ball. Counted. Arbaso sa counter. Navarro. Wah, macet. So Palen to Giro na draw. Gipasa ni Balaban. Balaban take back. Wah, macet. Ganda. Kapita mawik. Arbang Navarro. Bola sa exotic animal. Saya kulit sa people. Navarro. Foul. Ulang Itza. Ulang Percussion Boys. Ulang Percussion Boys. Dan Tagagring Arawa Itzahan. Baluran no shot for Nazar. Rebound by Arino. Kuasa mo gihapon. Rebound by Arino. Arino for 2. Jumbo giving the ball. Last 2 minutes. Gonzales. Gonna shot. Wala shot. Rebound by Galon. Galon for 2. 1 minute and 52 seconds remaining time. Balen to Baluran will shot for 2 points. 1 minute and 40 seconds remaining time. Usa ka minuto 32 segundos. Good Malin. One shot to Jimboy. At Jimboy needs of this for 2 points. 1 minute and 22 seconds. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. After Good Malin again. Back to Johnson. 16 seconds left. Nakuha ni Malin Mirasol for 2. Bogoy for nothing. Rebound by Alino. 40 segundos. Wow. One shot. 33 segundos. Galon parehas nakabaos. Naku. 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 4, 3, 2, 1. 5 over 4. Our score is 75-70.
Kung naman ang third quarter, kung atong score, kung furniture, 7
Daghan kayo mga lactating mothers. Nangita kayo.
Nagsugod na. Let's watch.
Urban Balabat, tighatag na ho ni og buko shake, passing to the center. 9-72 on the 7.8 yung sonto sa Raspe. Sa Raspe Bernabe. Milusa. Wow. Wow, committed by Navarro for 3 points. Baluran for nothing. Baluran. Natawa ni Ting og Ting-init, Marso. Baluran shot. Wow, kagugod siya tanan inyo ra itang na. Balabat, haras pa Jungson, labi-labi, haras pa Galon. So, kinsa na sila? Counted? The shot. Gusto na ito sa 2 segundos ang nagamit. Navarro dribbling the ball, pass to Jungson, isa, wala shot. Rebound by Espiritu na. Lagapa. Balabat. Balabat. 17 second shot lang. Rebound by Lagapa. Lagapa harap by Navarro. Wow, nakuha niya. To Jungson. Labi-labi yung kana. Wah, tumulog siya. Balabat. Wah, masyad. 7 minutos o 5 segundos ang nahimuling oras. Isa ka. Navarro. Edgardo. Upaluran. 17 second shot lang. 15. 11. 7. 6. 5. 4. Okay, nakuha ni Raspe. Tugalon by Garay. Balabat for nothing. Rebound by Gisako. Wow. Gudong. Wow, shot. My God, you're so wrong with that. Rebound by Balabat. Wow, he had a shot. Nakuha ni Gal. For nothing. Navarro sa mo. Wow. Good over. Sa Raspe. Good morning, minusok kayo. Good morning, Jesus. Sa anak na si Good morning. 1 minute and 48. 21 second shot clock. Bandoy. To Baluran. Baluran ni Awa. Foul committed by 18 second shot clock. Wala shot. Rebound by Simbahon. Sa kanito 20 segundos. 17 second shot clock. 13. White out pa yan! Aras pa yan. Basto to Navarro. Navarro for shot! 57 segundos sa nahimili. Yes. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 18 seconds shot. Second violation committed by Baluran again for 1. 12, 10, 9, 9 seconds remaining time. 4 minutes.
Content lang.
8, 7, 2 seconds remaining time. 5. Ready. Jai for 1. We have 2 seconds. 1.
Dog na!
Time. Fire.
Nauman ang duwa o ang idaog Exotic Animal Park. Ang score sa Exotic 95.
O ang furniture 81.
Dagang salamat.
Bye-bye!